Alright guys, I'm just out riding and today is the reveal of the new motorbike that I've just picked up. It's for my A2 license. It's going to be about another month probably until I can get it on the road. But until then I've got some build series, bolt shit on series idea that I want to do with it. So here it is under the cover. I'm not going to tease it for too long, but quick clue. Has Ryan finally gone for a real bike? Maybe I have. Okay, so as you probably know, I love my WR125X a lot, and I'm definitely not going to leave the Supermoto crew, so there's no worries about that. There's a lot of Supermotos out there. We're talking the KTM 690, the DRZ 400, all very strong competitors, but they just weren't going to do it for me. They weren't what I was after. I love my WR so much. Maybe it shouldn't really be a surprise that I went for this little bad boy. Now there really aren't too many of these in the UK. It was quite hard to find and buy one. That's why it's in blue. I would have loved to get one in white, but that's all part of the series I want to start of making this into my own personal bike. I'm not too big a fan on the front in terms of the front mudguard and the headlight, so that's got some changes to do, and it's definitely not going to stay blue. But this is a 2010 WR250X. I had a quick ride on it over at the field earlier. I'm going to put in some clips of me and Dad going to pick this up and me having a first little ride on it. It's so fun. I've made the right decision. I'm going to do a more in-depth video of why I got the 250 and not something bigger like the DRZ or the KTM or something like that. But I can assure you, this is the right bike. This is what I wanted. So I need to do a quick sound test for you. It's currently got the baffle in, but let's turn on this bad boy. And now for a try without the baffle. I already know this is going to be too loud, but I just got to try it. Oh! Oh my god! So I'm going to cut over to the vlog footage of us picking this up and me having a quick ride on it. Thanks for watching. Me and Dad have just picked up some massive van to take the motorbike back in. Absolute pad. It's got some pretty sick dash, fat steering wheel. Feels like you're in a boat as you're moving. Just filling it up with petrol, and now we're gonna head over to pick up the motorbike. We've made it to the field and now we're going to get the bike out of the van so I can have a quick ride around.
I've got the bike on the brake. Yeah. Front wheel was just rolling.
I look like such a bell end with no goggles and the wires dangling down.
Okay.
Okay, you good?
Yep.
Alright. The fuel light is on actually. Are we ready? Oh, this is with the baffle in as well. Oi, oi. Try not to drop my, whoa, whoo. Try not to drop my new bike. That's got a bit more power to it. That's the one. Oh, it's soft here. Oh, we're stuck on soft ground. There's no grip here.
Yeah.
It's a shame the field's so overgrown.
Yeah, you can go along the pathway, but you've been going slow.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot. I'll go up and down here one more time.
Go slow and just work out what's underneath you.
Yeah, for sure.
There's not a lot of grip.
I think this seat's comfier than my WR, ever so slightly. This is like super loose gravel. This is the bike I wanted. Oh, I'll try to go through some undergrowths. Whoa! Just hitting random logs and stuff. Oh no! Oh man, it's getting well overgrown. This is a shocking idea. Let's take it back now, Yao. Oh, it's beautiful. It's even lighter than my 125, and it's got double the power. Oh no! I got a clock. I've always wanted a clock on a bike. It keeps on impressing me. It really does. Ow! Ah! My ankles. I just got stung. Ow, that really hurts. It serves me right for not wearing boots. Oh, bollocks. I'm going for it. Move out the way, don't! What are you doing standing there? Oh. Okay, we're good. We get you. Well, it's a bit delayed sometimes on the throttle. Oh man, that's good fun. And I'm only just in a small area. Woo! What a good decision to buy! What a dream. I gotta put this away before I kill myself. Or sting myself anymore.
Yeah.
Oh wow, we got a friend. Get out of here. Wow. That is so much fun.
Lovely tires were quite hard for in here.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, okay, might need a bit of a run up just to get the lip. There we go. Is it hot?
No, there's something stuck in it. Right, if you leave in gear.
Oh yeah.